Hey there guys, it's Caleb with Steele Mitsubishi. Today we're going to be taking a look at our last 2023 Eclipse Cross. It has just came off the truck, and we're also going to be taking a little look around the car and talking about the 2024 models that are arriving shortly. Alright guys, starting with the exterior of the Eclipse Cross. The 2022 model had the exterior redesign, so there isn't any redesigns coming up for the 2024. Just taking a look in the trunk. In the SEL model, you of course have the cargo cover in the rear, as you can see here. At the inside of the Eclipse Cross, being the SEL model, this one has the nice leather suede combo on the seats. You can see nice leather bolsters and suede centers. And next up in the center console here, we of course have our center screen, which does feature Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard in the SEL. And lastly, on the exterior, we of course have the 18-inch wheels, which come as standard on the SEL as well. Alright guys, that wraps up our tour of the last 2023 Eclipse Cross. And if you guys are interested in booking an Eclipse, give us a shout, 902-405-1177. This is, as I said, our last 2023, and if you're looking to get a 2024 booked, we are now taking orders. Thanks for watching guys, have a good day.